welcome back to the channel Mathematics World. In the last video, we saw some properties and one theorem, that is two integers a and b are congruent modulo a is a positive integer if and only if they leave the same remainder when divided by n. On the basis of that, today we will see some examples. Okay, here I have first example. If a congruent b mod n1 and a is congruent to b mod n2, and if n1 and n2 is equal to 1, that is GCD of n1 and n2 is equal to 1, then a congruent to b mod n1 into n2. Okay, so how we'll solve this? First we have given these two equations, so we write down this. A is congruent to b mod n1, which implies n1 divide a minus b, okay, and which is equal to a minus b is equal to n1 k1. Okay, similarly we write a is congruent to b mod n2, which is equal to n2 divide a minus b, implies a minus b is equal to n2 k2. Okay, now we equate these two equations, so we get n1 k1 is equal to n2 k2. Now from this what we get, n2 divides n1 k1, and we have given GCD of n1 and n2 is equal to 1, therefore this n2 divides k1, n2 divides k1. Now from this what we write, k1 is equal to n2 into some integer, suppose we take k. Now this value we substitute in this equation, so we get a minus b is equal to n1 n2 into k. Okay, now we put a bracket here, so from that what we write, n1 n2 divides a minus b, and now from that what we write, a is congruent to b, a is congruent to b mod n1 into n2. That's what we have to show, a is congruent to b mod n1 into n2. Okay, this is how we prove this. Now let's see another example. So second example is, for any integer x, so show that x square is congruent to 0 or 1 mod 4. Okay, so how we'll solve this? Any integer means it is either even or it is odd, so we'll take both the conditions. So here we take x be any integer and x is even or odd. If it is even, then it is of the form 2k, or it is odd, so it is of the form 2k plus 1. Now here we have square, so we take the square of this. X square is equal to 2k square, or x square is equal to 2k plus 1 square. Okay, so x square is equal to 4k square, or x square is equal to 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Okay, so here we take 4 common, so we write 4 into k square plus k plus 1, and this can be written as x square is congruent to, here we have 0 remainder, so 0 mod 4, and here we have 1 remainder, so here we write x square is congruent to 1 mod 4. Okay, this is how we prove this. Let's take another example which is quite similar to this example. So example 3, x is an odd integer not divisible by 3. Prove that x square is congruent to 1 mod 24. Okay, here we have given x is an odd integer, means it is in the form 2k plus 1, okay, and not divisible by 3. So we write, let's solve the example. Since x is an odd integer, it does not divisible by 2, and we have also given not divisible by 3. So we write that also, x is not divisible by 3. Therefore if you take their multiplication, so x is not divisible by that number also. So x is not divisible by 6. Here x is of the form. Now here we apply division algorithm. So this is of the form 6k plus 1, 6k plus 3, 6k plus 4 and 6k plus 5. But we have given it is not divisible by 2, means this is not in the form of this. Here we also have it is not divisible by 3. So x is not in the form of 6k plus 3, and it is not divisible by 6, means this is also not there. Okay, so we have remain only 6k plus 1 and 6k plus 5. So suppose we take first this, so we write here, but 6k plus 5 can be written as 6k plus 5 plus 6 minus 6, which is equal to 6k plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to, we substitute k plus 1 to k dash. So we write 6k dash minus 1, where k dash is equal to k plus 1. Therefore 6k plus 5 is same as 6k minus 1. Okay, hence our x is of the form 6k plus or minus 1. Okay, now we write this, x square is equal to 6k plus minus 1, which is equal to 36k square plus minus 12k plus 1. Now here we take 12k common, so we write 12k, 3k plus minus 1 plus 1. Now here this k is in the form, it is either odd or it is even, so we consider both the conditions. K is an integer, can be odd or even. Okay, so if it is even, then this 12k is divisible by 24. Okay, that's we have to show. So this 12k is divisible by 24, because here if you take any number, that number is divisible by 24. Okay, if it is odd, then this 3k plus minus 1 is even, and therefore this 12k 3k plus minus 1 is divisible by 24. Okay, this is even, this 12 is even, so if you multiply these two, then you also get even number which can be divisible by 24. Okay, so in any case, this 12k 3k plus minus 1 is divisible by 24. So we write x square is equal to 12k 3k plus minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to x square congruent to 1 mod 24. That's what we have to show. We also have one more example to solve, and then we'll give you some example to solve. Here we have another example, that is find least positive integer modulo 7 to which 25, 36, 213 and the multiplication of this are congruent. Okay, how we'll find the least element? So first we divide 25 by 7. Okay, so what we get, 25 is equal to 7 into 3 plus 4. 7 into 3 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. Therefore, we write plus 4. From this, what we write, 25 is congruent to 4 mod 7. Similarly, for these two numbers, we write the same. 36 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 1, which implies 36 congruent to 1 mod 7. 213 is equal to 7 into 30 plus 3, which is equal to 213 congruent to 3 mod 7. Okay, here what we do, we write the remainder first, and mod 7 means this number, that is mod 7. Okay, now we have to show this is congruent. So, and we have to find the least element. So we write 25 into 36 into 213 is congruent to, we take these elements 413. 4 into 1 into 3, which is equal to 12 mod 7, we write as it is, and this is the least element, so we write here, therefore 12 is the least positive integer. Okay, now on the basis of these two examples, this and the previous one, I gave you two examples to solve, and if you want the solution of these two examples, you can connect me on Instagram, where I post the solutions which I gave in a video. Okay, so check that out. First example is find the smallest positive integer modulo 11 to which 2 into 5 into 7 into 13 into 21 into 218 into 417 is congruent. What we did in this example, similar way you have to solve this example. Okay, and the second one is for any positive integer x, prove that x square is congruent to 0, 1, 4 mod 8. So that's it for today's video. In the next video we will see Euler phi function. So stay tuned and keep learning.